Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, please subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get right into this. I know this is a little different because all my face makeup is on today, and usually that doesn't happen because I like to do my eye makeup first, so that way if I have a oopsie, it's not gonna come down all over my face. So, you know, makeup is up to you, just so you know. You don't have to do it in a certain way. Actually, before I did YouTube, I always did my face makeup first. But I wanted to be super creative with my looks, so I always tend to do my eye makeup first. That way if I have an and I mess up my makeup, I can just very easily remove it with a makeup wipe, and then I don't have a whole bunch of extra work to get rid of it. And I've had comments like, you do your makeup odd, like aren't you supposed to do your face makeup first, and blah blah blah. And that's entirely up to you. If you want to do your face makeup first, you can do your face makeup first. If you want to do your eyebrows first, you can do your eyebrows first. Just because someone else does something first doesn't mean that's the way you have to do it. This is just kind of going to be a chit-chat, get ready with me type of thing. So I already put my face makeup on, so it won't be too long. I'm using the Dream Street palette, if you're wondering. And I just dipped into Shooting Star. I guess I'll give you guys a little update on my life, because I keep filming parts of vlogs, and then like either I'll film like one day out of the week and then it just sits there, and I don't film for the rest of the week and it's not enough for a vlog, or I film like one tiny bit of every day and it's still like an odd part of a vlog, so I don't end up uploading it. But my daughter is going to be in modeling soon. Like, she wasn't approached or anything, but in our hometown they were offering modeling, building portfolios for people, and they had an age group with her in it. And I asked my husband, I was like, you know, we want to get her in pageants, and we'd like to put her in gymnastics and stuff, and I feel like something like this would help her get comfortable with being around a bunch of people, something neither me or my husband is comfortable with. And I think it'd be great for her confidence, which will also transfer over into other things. I'm dipping into potion now, and I'm just kind of going on the outer third up into the crease like I did with the last shadow. This is going to be like a natural smoky kind of glam. I don't know, I might even go a little darker. I think this is about as dark as I'm going to go though. But yeah, so we're going to put her in pageants and stuff like that, so we want to get her comfortable, and we think that putting her in modeling would be the perfect way to do that. So we are going to be doing that for her over the next, I don't know if it's going to be weeks or months, but if you'd like me to film the process and what goes into it, I can do that for you guys, because I think that would be fun, especially for people wanting to get their kids in to do stuff like that. I'm going to go into just a tad bit of Elfish. She's very outgoing as it is for the most part, but she does get shy, so I think this will be perfect. And I told my husband, I think it's either going to go one of two ways. Either she's going to be super outgoing and absolutely love the experience, or she's going to be, hold on, my contour is distracting me. I can't tell if it's blended right or not, but I'm just gonna, hopefully that's right. But yeah, we're just gonna try it out and see how she does, and hopefully she'll do really great. But you know, if she doesn't, then it's an experience and we know that it's not for her. And of course she's only 2, so we know there's going to be meltdowns, and you know, not everything's going to run extremely smooth, but we won't know unless we try. Honestly, I actually really love the look just like this without even a shimmer. I am like a total matte person. Like I can wear a matte eye look all day long with no shimmer and be perfectly happy. Do I want to add a shimmer? Yeah, let's add a little bit of twinkle. I'm just gonna... Ooh. Golly. Also, I have a poll going on Facebook for you guys to pick out my makeup. I don't have the option to do YouTube voting yet. Otherwise, I would do it on here where my audience, like majority of my audience, actually is. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take just teents of Kaleidoscope. No, Mooney. I'm gonna take a little bit of Mooney and put it right there on the inner corner. But yeah, I don't have the option to set up polls and stuff on YouTube yet. Otherwise, that's where I would do it. But if you have me on Facebook, or I can somehow put the link, I'll see if I can put the link in this video, and you guys can click into it and choose my makeup, and I will do that. I haven't set a date for it, just when I feel like I have enough votes, because right now I think we're at 11, which is fairly decent, but some of the options are tied. I don't know why that's been doing that lately. So yeah, we'll just choose soon, or I'll do the makeup look soon, and hopefully you guys find it entertaining. I've put some curveballs in there for me. I put some of my favorites in there, and I've also put some stuff in there that I absolutely hate, so that you guys know that I'm not just, you know, trying to give myself an easy time. Like, I'm putting stuff in there for you guys. Like, you can ask my husband, I absolutely hate being cold. I absolutely hate being wet and cold. Like, it's started arguments between me and my husband before, and I'm willing to dunk myself in ice water for this video. So go vote. Let me know. This idea was actually given to me by my cousin, although other YouTubers have done it through like Instagram and YouTube and stuff like that. I just don't have enough following from those groups to actually do it to YouTube. Like, most of my YouTube followers, not all of them, but most of them came from friends or family following me from Facebook, which I really appreciate. But I guess that would make the most sense for them to pick, you know, my makeup that I'm going to actually do, because, you know, that's where everyone came from. I am digging the way I look right now. Like, I just feel like a little, I don't know, like, isn't it always nice when you just look at yourself and you're like, dang girl? Yeah, I never really have anything super interesting going on in my life. I just like to talk. But my daughter will be doing modeling, and I think that's kind of neat. And maybe some of you other moms out there might like to, you know, learn about the process, especially if you have a little one that you would like to eventually put in pageants or modeling or stuff like that, because I am new to all this too, so my experiences will be genuine Y'all, I never come on here being fake with you guys. 95% of the time, my hair is a mess. My life is a mess. I'm wearing like pajamas or Star Wars t-shirts. Like, I don't come on here putting on a show for you guys. I don't feel like I'm over the top. I don't get crazy and like give you a fake attitude. Like, exactly how I am right now is how I am when I get off camera and I'm with my husband. Maybe a little bit more, you know, energized with my husband, just because I'm still getting used to the whole camera thing, even though I'm on like my 160th video, if you can believe that. I feel like a lot of my followers are newer and have not seen any of my other videos, any of my older videos, which is probably good, because I feel like, I mean, I'm always looking to improve, but I feel like my videos have gotten progressively better even in the last like 2 to 3 months. And that's another thing, is like, this whole thing is a learning process, so it takes time. And honestly, like, I did not expect to have even 100 followers by the end of this year. The way people talk about how you get followers, yes, it's slow. Yes, I'll sit at like one number for like 2 or 3 months and it feels like forever. Honestly, the 160, almost 160 subscribers I have come by me a lot faster than I thought they would. I just don't have any confidence in myself. So, and confidence is good for videos, I feel like, because people like to see people who have that attitude where they're just confident in everything that they do. Beauty news is on in the other room if you can hear it. Even when I'm not watching YouTube, I'm watching YouTube. I'm supporting the people that I am subscribed to. I feel like that is important. And I definitely believe in like supporting other YouTubers, especially small ones. Big ones too. I mean, like I said, I'm watching beauty news and I don't know how many subscribers they have, but I assume it's a lot. Okay, well, that's drying. I'm gonna try and do my lips. Hopefully it stays, because we've already wasted like 10 minutes alone on just eyelashes. I like this. It's like a natural glow. This is one of my favorite foundations. I can't wait till I get darker and it matches me. Or I match it, I should say. I need to get in that tanning bed ASAP. In case you don't know, I'm one of those people that loves a tanning bed. I know they're bad for you, I know, but it's just that I love the heat from it, everything. I like to sit in it and just like have my me time. It's just, I don't know. Some people may think I'm crazy, but there's just something about it that just, I don't know, I love it. Okay, my eyelashes are not wanting to stay, but it looks good in the viewfinder, so we're just gonna be very gentle, like a butterfly kiss, just ever so gently. Oh, like, just, oh, whisk away my eyelashes in the breeze. So that's just a little update on my life. My daughter's going to be doing modeling. My house is a disaster, so hopefully there will be a cleaning video fairly soon. I've just been so lazy. The house has been sick for 2 weeks now. Like, some of us were sick last week, some of us were sick this week, so it's just been not good. But hopefully everything will get back on track this weekend. And I will be doing a cleaning video, hopefully, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Because I've filmed about like 6 doing the dishes and like starting on laundry, cleaning the bathroom, and then like it all just goes to so yes. I think that's about it. I can't even remember what I talked to you guys about. That's mom brain right there. You just talk about one thing and it's like whoosh, gone. Don't even know until like 2 days later. I'm like, I forgot to pick up. I forgot this. I forgot that. Anyways, Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.